Let's dive into the top 5 questions about the internet. What is DNSB?
DNS stands for Domain Name System. It's like the internet's phone book. When you type a website name like Google, your computer doesn't actually understand names. It only understands numbers called IP addresses. DNS is the helper that translates the easy name into the right number so your computer knows where to go. It's just like looking up your friend's name in a phone book to find their phone number. So DNS is what makes it possible for you to type words instead of long, confusing numbers when you visit websites.
What is a CDN?
Don't worry, it's not a secret code. It just means Content Delivery Network. Imagine your favorite game or video lives on one big computer super far away. Every time you play or watch, your request has to travel all the way there and back. That's like ordering a burger from the other side of the world. By the time it gets to you, it's cold and soggy. A CDN fixes that by putting lots of smaller computers, called servers, in different places all over the world. So when you click, the closest one gives you the file fast, hot, and fresh, like a burger shop right in your neighborhood. That's why YouTube loads quickly, websites don't feel slow, and memes get to you before they're old news. So CDN equals a team of internet delivery helpers, making sure your stuff gets to you quickly no matter where you are.
How does Reddit work?
Reddit is like a giant collection of online clubs called subreddits. Each subreddit is about a topic like video games, science, movies, or even funny cat pictures. When you join Reddit, you can read posts, share your own, or comment on others. People can upvote things they like so they rise to the top, or downvote things they don't like so they sink. It's kind of like a huge bulletin board where everyone sticks their notes and the best notes float up where more people can see them. So Reddit works by letting millions of people share, discuss, and vote on content inside different topic clubs.
What is NGINX?
NGINX, said NGINX, is special software that helps websites run faster and handle lots of visitors at the same time. Think of it like a super fast traffic cop for the internet. When thousands of people try to visit the same website, NGINX makes sure everyone gets directed to the right place without traffic jams. It can also store copies of web pages so they load quicker the next time you visit, kind of like keeping snacks ready in the fridge instead of cooking every time. So NGINX is what keeps big websites smooth, speedy, and able to handle huge crowds without crashing.
What is BGP?
BGP stands for Border Gateway Protocol. It's how the internet decides the best path for your data to travel. Imagine the internet as a giant map with millions of roads. When you send a message, it has to figure out which roads to take to get to the right computer on the other side of the world. BGP is like the GPS of the internet. It looks at all the possible paths, then chooses the best route, usually the fastest or most reliable one. If BGP has a problem, data can get lost or slowed down, which is why internet outages sometimes happen. So BGP is the rulebook that helps your data find its way across the huge maze of the internet.